Hey guys, we just got back from Turkey yesterday and it's been mostly really beautiful weather while we were out of town, like in the 20s, which is wild for October. And we are gonna go to the grocery store, and so we thought we'd stop at the Allotment. So I was just gonna take you guys along as we see how the Allotment handled 2 weeks without us and if anything's still alive, if we can harvest anything. And so this is just gonna be a super quick video, maybe like 5 minutes long or something. Just our experience seeing what it looks like 2 weeks at the end of October without anyone caring for it. So let's go. All right, we're almost here. The gate's open, which is good news, so we can drive all the way to the Allotment. Oh, I feel like so many people took stuff down since we were here, eh? Everybody's still
everybody cut their stuff down.
Even that guy who had the most beautiful allotment here has taken everything down. Lots of work had been done in 2 weeks. I bet you he owns 2 plots.
Well, that's fresh. That's a lot of soil.
All right, please let's not have our hoop houses broken into a million pieces. I'm very nervous. The corn looks dead. But the... Oh! Look at it, it all ripped to pieces. But the broad beans look amazing. Hey, they're not dead though. Oh, fuck. Okay, let's show everybody this. Are you seeing this? Are you even reacting to this? Like, everything is still flowering, but the problem is if it's not above 10 degrees, there's nobody here to pollinate it.
Oh, yeah, I don't see a single... What do they look like? Are they at the top?
They should be at the bottom.
At the bottom?
Pollinate from the bottom up.
Yeah, but I don't see a single flower.
I mean, it's supposed to warm up over the next couple days, so like some bees maybe are still flying. I don't know.
I see raspberries.
We don't have raspberries.
Strawberries.
Oh.
Strawberries all over there.
Oh my god. And I mean, I'm super glad the plants are still alive.
Yeah.
But shit.
Yeah, they're alive.
I'm so curious about this corn.
What was in here?
Same thing, all like cabbage and stuff. Okay, well. Here, you want to open this?
Get all these clips. Am I opening it? Okay.
I can't do it
think
with
it's
one hand.
pollinated. It looks very thin. We waited months for this. Hey, you got corn.
No,
they
it's not
frozen?
perfect, but
Oh, corn.
shit, we have corn.
Corn. Baby corn.
Okay, well, we'll pick that, and then there are berries on there.
Yeah, go,
Oh, I'm so upset by all this stuff. I felt so good leaving it, and obviously we shouldn't have felt good about it. Shoot, that's a lot of strawberries.
Yeah, nothing to eat it, too.
They're a little frozen berries.
Frozen berries.
Still flowering and everything. Damn.
That's a good looking strawberry.
Yeah. Okay.
Hoop fell down.
All the hoops seemed to have kind of fallen. They've made it so far. Some of these look really good. It's almost like this only recently happened.
You think so?
I don't know. Some of these like snapped in half. Shit. Okay, let's do some stuff. And the mice can't get it if they're frozen.
Yeah.
All right, so we got a bag of corn. Oh, that one came off here. I can't believe they broke in half. Was there a screw in them or something?
What broke now?
These were this short when we bought them?
They're short. They are that short.
That doesn't make sense.
I know.
Oh, those are the Amazon ones.
They're all like that.
Ah. We have 3 different types of clamps going on here. Oh. I mean, it's supposed to warm up again. All right, so everything's covered to at least make it through a couple more nights. And then we'll come back maybe Wednesday when it's like 20. Yeah? Okay. Just so we can make it a little bit better. I don't know what the plan will be, but...
I gotta check what day.
All right.
I got rabbit on Thursday.
Okay. We'll see what happens, but we'll come back. Good enough for now. Oh, I missed a corn. Oh, no, I didn't. It just stayed there. Can't wait to peel them later.
Yeah, I'm curious about it.
All right, Los Gates. Okay, I am going to shuck all of these corn and see if we ended up with any corn. I planted these really late, like maybe like mid to late June. I'd have to go back and look at when I planted them. So it was really an experiment to see if they would grow anything, but like some of these are pretty large. I'm also hoping that there's no earwigs in here that are gonna come running out when I open these. But fingers crossed that they got pollinated. It's wet. I do not have. I was just about to say I don't have a good feeling about this. Oh my god. Check it out. That is a good corn. Okay. Some of them are really small and I'm not expecting anything off them, but I pulled anywhere that had an ear of corn, I pulled it, so. Like this one here is like tiny. You can see the size difference, so I'm not expecting anything, but it'll also be cute to see what they look like as little babies. You're so tiny. I wonder if I could still eat this. Maybe this is what baby corn is. Oh, it's so cute. It smells like baby corn. Like it's got little kernels on it. Yeah, like it's got little kernels. Next one, pretty similar in size. I think this was pollinated too. Just they look a little sad because I guess technically they were frozen, so they are breaking really easily because of that. I literally just broke the whole bottom off of this thing, but I think it'll still be edible even if they did freeze a little bit, because I think while we were away in Turkey that the weather hit below 0 and it got frost, because you guys saw the whole plants were dead. Less pollination here. That first one was like too good to be true, I guess. So here you go. I think that these were actually all pollinated and they just didn't have a chance to grow yet, but and then you saw that I picked some strawberries. Okay, I have 3 left. This one also kind of feels like there's nothing in it. So, I would definitely plant them later again, but maybe not quite as late as this. And these are the peaches and cream, like your typical corn. Also fully pollinated. This is incredible. Like, you can kind of tell the difference. I'd totally eat this. Yes, I sniffed it. Ew, wrong direction. Let's see what's in this little baby. Oh, they're so delicate from being frozen. I already cracked it a little bit. So pollinated on this side and not pollinated on this side. Last one, this is the one we opened up at the Allotment. I'm so proud of it. Oh, this one too, same thing. This one was partially grown. Again, partially pollinated or partially fully pollinated and still growing when the frost hit. But I'm still gonna make these. I'm still gonna eat them. So this is my weird late Halloween corn harvest. I'm pretty proud of it. So now that I know that I can grow corn successfully at the Allotment and that I can plant it later if I needed to, I'm definitely going to include this in my plan for my allotment. And I am going to use my square foot garden planner that I built so that way I can organize all of my rows of what I want to plant and how much I can fit in there. And if you guys haven't seen it already, I will link it in the description below and put a little preview up here for you guys to look at. But it's this really cool interactive tool that you can download off my website and it'll help you plan out your garden. And so I'm going to use that to figure out just how much corn I can fit in my allotment so that way I can have another harvest like this again next year. Anyway, super quick allotment video. We are going to go back maybe on Wednesday when the weather is warmer, and I don't know what we're going to do. Try and do a better job of hooping. I think what's happening is that the plastic doesn't go all the way to the ground, so the wind can get under it and it pulls it up in a storm. But the plants seem to be still doing okay. Tonight's supposed to go down to -5, so we'll see how it goes. And we had just run out of poly, and that's why we did it the way that we did it. And poly's super expensive, so I didn't really want to buy anymore, but I'm not sure how I feel. I might have to think about buying some more. I have till Wednesday to decide what we're gonna do there. And then I am buying 3 switchgrass bales. So I'm gonna mulch the allotment, and then I'm gonna chop down all my comfrey this week when it's warm too. So that way I can mulch all of the allotment with comfrey and with the switchgrass, so that way it'll break down over the winter and give me some really high quality soil in the spring. That is all fed from the comfrey. So that is what we'll do in the next video. And until then, I will see you guys next week, and I hope you enjoyed watching my corn harvest.